Hello everyone. On today's video, we'll be learning how to use Microsoft PowerPoint. At the end of this video, you'll be able to create a Microsoft PowerPoint slide and you will know some basic things to do in your Microsoft PowerPoint application. To create a PowerPoint presentation, first of all, you have to open your Microsoft PowerPoint package. Now I have my PowerPoint on my desktop. If you don't have it on your desktop, you can chat from your taskbar. You type PowerPoint. See, this is it. So you click on it. It will automatically open. When it's open, this is the background that it usually show you. Now here is the blank page where you can create your new PowerPoint presentation. You have here, these are templates that are already made by Microsoft that you can reuse. And here, these are some documents that I've already created in Microsoft PowerPoint. So each time you create a new PowerPoint, after saving it, when you open a new PowerPoint presentation, PowerPoint document, you will see the document that you've already saved here. So for now, let's create a blank document and see how we can play with it. So after creating your Microsoft PowerPoint, so this is what it normally gives you. It gives you a default slide, the first slide, which normally acts as the introductory slide, where you can put your topic and maybe you put your name here. So you have different types of slides in Microsoft PowerPoint that you can use, different layouts. So this is the introductory layout, and you have different types of layouts in here. If I click on this one, new slide, it will automatically give me its own suggestion. Let me click new slide. You see, it gives me this one. But also here, this little arrow that you are seeing, if you click on it, it will give you the different types of slides layouts that it have. Now here, when I click on it, you see these are different types of slide that you can use. It depends to the types of information that you want to input in your Microsoft presentation. So now here, for example, if I click on this one, this type of slide normally acts when you want to put two different things. Maybe you want to put advantages here and put disadvantages of something here. You see, that is when you are using this type of slide. Here, when only you just want to put the title and you want to put the content. Like for example, you want to talk about Sierra Leone. You said about Sierra Leone, you put it as the topic. You see, so this will act as your heading, and here you put your content. For here, you put the title of what you want to put here, and you put advantages and disadvantages, pros and cons, or you want to differentiate between two things. Each time you have content that you want to see differences between them or the similarities, you can do something like that. So now, also you have this other type of slide here. It is also similar to this one, but this one, it gives you a heading, and here maybe you can insert a picture, and also you can put text by inserting a text box or other methods. But this one, it enables you to easily put a picture down here and give it a title up here. And also you have another type of, you have the blank layout. This one, it is automatically blank, so it gives you the power to do what you want to do on it. Either you create a text box to put your title, or you put pictures on this type of, but normally this one is basically used to put, maybe when you want to put charts, screenshots, pictures, all of those ones. It's very simple to play with. So when you put your picture or your chart or your screenshots, you just resize it how you want it. So here you have different types of layouts. Here, as I was saying, it's the same. When you come here, you can put the layouts that you want. Here you want to reset a slide, you can do it in this session. So here, for example, this slide, I can move this slide from top to bottom. You see, I can put it everywhere on the slide that I want it. I can delete it by right clicking. You can see delete. If I click on this one, I'll delete it. So I can, to bring it again, I'll just click on my keyboard and say Control Z. it will come. So I can move each slide from one position to another. You see, so it's very simple and easy to use. So it depends on how which content you have. So it will give you the permission to use each of these ones. You see, this is for comparison. This is when you have two content. This is when you have a title and a content. You see, this is for title only. This is a blank. This is content with caption. You see, you have your content here and you put a caption in the other side. So you have different type of them. And here in the insert tab, you can add a picture. For example, let me try to add a picture. Come to insert tab. Let me come to my downloads. Okay, I have a picture of Microsoft PowerPoint's logo. So let me bring it in and see how I can use it. So you see, so this is a picture of Microsoft's logo. It has background, that's why it covers. So you can resize it the way you want and put it where you want to put it in your documents. You can add, you see, so you can put it there and give a title of this particular picture you want to describe. And also here in the same insert, you can insert a table. In this one, you can insert a screenshot, insert a shape, and all of the other things. So basically, Microsoft PowerPoint enables you to put your ideas together when you want to display them somewhere, like when you have a presentation in your classroom, or you have a business presentation that you want to show people things that you are doing. So you can insert pictures, graphs, infographics, and different type of things to show people that okay, this is what I am doing, this is what I am doing. That's the essence of Microsoft PowerPoint. It is not for you to put a lot of information on it, but it's basically for displaying some basic information. And also you have this other tax bar that you can use to do a lot of other things to your presentation. But on the next videos, I'll try to go in depth on how to use most of these other features. For today, we'll basically focus on this side, which is the home tab, on how to input these 4 slides and how to use these slides. So I hope you got an understanding of how to get your slides put together. In the next video, I'll show you how to do transition, some animation, and also do some basic stuffs with Microsoft PowerPoint. So you see, now I've created these different slides. If I want to do a presentation, come here, click. This is my presentation. It is showing blank because there is nothing in some of the slides. The slide that have information, you see, it is showing. This one that have this picture is also showing. So you see, this is the importance of Microsoft PowerPoint. I hope you learned something. Comment if you want to learn each of these other functionalities. I'll make videos so that we can go in depth on how to make proper PowerPoint presentation and how to give them some animation, insert pictures, and do something very structured so that we can understand the way Microsoft PowerPoint really works. For today, this is just an introductory PowerPoint presentation video for us to understand some of the basics, how to insert a new slide, how to add a slide, and how to use the different types of slide. Thank you for your attention. Don't forget to like, comment, and share for more videos. See you on the next videos. Thank you.